All right, today we are going to do an introduction to place, and that's basically anytime you want to teach your dog to go to a location to lie down, whether it's a mat or a dog bed or anything like that. So all we're going to do is just start out. I'm going to use a clicker, but you can use your yes marker and the food, and we're just going to reward the dog anytime he's even near the mat, or this case the dog bed. So I'm just rewarding him here, and then I'm walking away, pulling him off. Let's go, let's go. No reinforcement, and then walking back towards the dog bed. And again, any behavior, there we go, that he offers, even touching the bed, we're going to reward that. And I may click again when he's on the bed just to reinforce it. Let's go. Let's go. But being careful not to give him any reinforcement when we're calling him off the bed, because we want the event of going to place to be the most reinforcement. All right, so he's making contact. Got all the way on, that time on his own. I'll click him again and pull him off. Troy, let's go. Let's go. Now I'm gonna walk back. See if he offers anything for us. Nice, so he made contact then. That was very, very good. Very good. Click him again. Yeah, boy. All right, Troy, let's go. I'm gonna pull him off. This time I'm not gonna get as close. We'll see if he goes over there on his own. He's looking for a reinforcement. He's not technically, we want one of his paws really to be on the bed. So I'm just gonna reset him up. Let's go. There we go. We can click that because he made contact with his paws. So that's the criteria that we're using, is that as long as one of those paws gets on there, he'll get reinforcement, and then 2 paws, 3 paws, 4 paws, and then that's ultimately going to be our goal. So we're going to start at a very low expectation and when they make contact with the bed with that 1 paw. But even before that, I would just click for him being near the bed. A lot of times people run into problems because they're expecting the dog to be all 4s on the bed right away, and then they're not getting it, and they're wondering why. So again, keep your expectations really low. Let's go. I'm gonna call him up again. Walk back towards the bed. Good, nice. So he's doing a little backwards motion, which is fine. We don't really care how they go onto the bed. Again, we just want them to get on the bed with those paws. Let's go. And what we can do next is gradually we can add in the cue as the behavior is happening. Place. Ah, boy. I'll do another click there. Place, since it's a new verbal. I'm not using any hand signal or anything like that. I'm really just trying to work off of him taking that initiative to go over there himself. Let's go. All right, let's see what happens from this distance. He really wants the reinforcement. He's a highly food motivated dog. Hold on, we have the old dog joining in over here. Let's put him down. Uh-oh. I'll use that as an opportunity because he's on the bed. There you go. Good job, Troy. Troy, let's go. Good, so no hand signal or anything. Place. I'm just inserting that cue. I'm not expecting him to know what that word even means. Place, but I'm just associating it with that action. Troy, let's go. Yeah, boy. So again, he's trying to elicit. I might try a nope. Nope. So he's going to try another one of his behaviors. So I have 2 options, to move closer to the bed or reset him up. I'm going to try to move closer to the bed. There we go. Place. Oh boy. Good job. Remember, put all the reinforcement on the dog bed for place. Avoid doing a lot of reinforcement away from the bed. That's a mistake that happens a lot in training. I catch myself with it. Often when we're pulling them off what we want, we're praising them a lot for following us and coming to us, but we don't really want that, so we want to be neutral. Troy, let's go. Good. We're also kind of getting an understanding of what distance I have to be at this point, from the bed. Place. He's not quite ready for the long distance yet, so we want to build on that success. Let's go. I don't want to set him up for failure. So there we can see where this distance gets him into a little bit of trouble at this point. So this time I'm going to do a reset up. Let's go. Place. There we go. Nice job. Also feeding the older dog on the side here. He's kind of just watching and wondering what's going on. Let's go. Troy, let's go. Nope. 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 Nice, that's what I was looking for. So that's our first kind of breakthrough. He's trying those other behaviors. We gave him basically a non-event marker and he redirected himself back on the mat, so that shows that he's getting a little bit of understanding. We don't want to fool ourselves into thinking that he knows it yet, so we have to be careful making that jump. So we'll do one more easy one, and then we're going to end the teaching session here, and then gradually the next stage is we're going to also add in the word go place because I want to send him. But right now I want to just keep it super, super simple, and he's adding a nice itch in. Troy, let's go. All right, let's do one more. Place, yes. All right, so let's finish on that note. Place, because we achieved some nice success with him. Good job.